Ragtop time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1966 Ford Fairlane 500 GT convertible. Triple blue, top to bottom. Has a blue vinyl top. When we get around to the end of this video, I'll run that up and we'll check it out after we hear it run. Check out the interior, go around this car. Underneath the hood, powered by a 390 V8. That's what this would have came with. It is an S code in the VIN. You decode the rest of the VIN. It is a Lorain, Ohio built true Fairlane 500 GT convertible. Let you take a close look. This front bumper, grille, headlight surrounds, fascia. I did know it does show a little bit of pitting on the grille, if you can kind of, or on the bumper I should say, if you can pick that up. Chrome's got a nice shine, but a few little areas of pitting. Bright work doesn't look too bad. Up in the front, pretty good look at that. Paint does not appear to be that old either. Looks like a fresher paint, similar to the Arcadian blue or silver blue that they would have had available back in '66. Now, if you want to check out that engine bay, so you can see the 390, look at the underside of this car, check out the trunk interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Manual transmission paired up with that 390 V8, FYI. The car does have power steering. Look up and down the passenger side here. Car appears straight. One thing I did want to mention about that power steering, it does have a little power steering growl to it. The power steering assist does leak, so once you lose some of that fluid, you do get a growl. Could use a little TLC there. Consignment car, owner chose to sell it that way, just making the announcement. And now you can see a little tear over there in the driver's seat, otherwise buckets up front. There's that 4-speed manual transmission. Shifter on the floor. Again, blue vinyl top, vinyl interior. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Just take a look at the chrome, rear bumper, fascia. Of course, there's your Fairlane GT insignia on the trunk deck lid. You can see the paint has a nice luster to it. Like I said, it does not appear to be that old of a paint. Definitely has went through a repaint along the line. Take a look up and down the driver's side here. All right, let's check out this interior. Snoop it over a little bit. Let's take a look at it. Let's start with the back here. No rips or tears in the rear seat. Did mention the one we had up here. It does show a little bit of age over there on the passenger, also in that one spot. A couple other things you may want to address. See people do it both ways. Wipers, did not have the wipers working. Lots of times we see people without wipers on them. They rain X the windshield real good. These cars just don't get driven a lot in the rain. One thing I wanted to mention, I did not have, it looks like more of a factory AM radio, did not have that working either. Power top does work though. We'll run that up here shortly for you. Check that out first. See how it runs. Sure, neutral. Should take a look at the rest of the dash also. One other thing the tech said was gauges in that. There's just an aftermarket oil pressure one here. I haven't seen that as far as operable or the gas. FYI. Pretty stock looking dash. And you can hear a smooth running car. Slip around to the back so you can hear it. Nice little rumble coming out of that 390. And again, that is paired up with a 4-speed Manual transmission. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. All right, let me pause this a second, pop this hood, and then we'll check out the top too. All right, nice looking engine bay. Chrome valve covers, air cleaner cover. Again, power steering. Looks like we have a newer master cylinder here also. Sounds good. A little strange noise with just a smooth running engine. Again, $390, that's what this car would have came with. 4-barrel on it. Finished off nicely on the underside of the hood also. Alright, there's the engine bay. How about one more pause for you, and I'll run up that power top. Here's the power top. Let's get that up and see how that vinyl top looks.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Got the top up to take a look at here, and as you can see, fits nice and tight up in the front. Blue vinyl, looks like it's been replaced in the not too far past. Looks like a newer top. This rear is glass also, by the way. That is not plastic. That's also in good condition. As you can see, it's free of rips, tears, holes. It's going to serve its purpose, whether you get caught under a little rain cloud, want to stay dry, or maybe you just want to put it up for some shade, protect yourself from the sun. It's going to do that just fine too. All right, now you've seen it all. And again, you remember where to check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. You can always call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.